Hey everyone, we are getting down to the end of the advent calendar. We've got 2 days left, well 1 day technically, because we're about to open day 23. So, yeah, let's take a look and see what's inside. As always, if you want to follow Lozzie, all of her information is down below, so go ahead and click that and follow her, subscribe to her, all the things, because she's pretty awesome. And today's hint says, a bit of a weird one, but I hope that you will enjoy doing this on camera. I kind of have my guesses. It feels like a paper theater, but I don't want to assume it's a paper theater. So, let's get in and let's see. It feels like the wrapping of one. Oh, it definitely feels like a paper theater. It is a paper theater. And this one is... Oh my gosh, it's the little hamster cars, isn't it? Mole car. Oh, this will be fun. And it's a large one, so it's gonna take a long time. 5 diamonds for this? Wow. This is one of the, like a hard one. You can always tell what the difficulty is gonna be by these little diamonds here, so. This one is going to take forever. Forever? Probably the whole stream. 2 or 3 hours, for sure. If you guys have never seen these, they're basically like 6 layers, and when you put them together, it looks almost 3D. So if you want to see me make this, make sure you're following me over on Twitch. All of that information is down below for you. And make sure you're subscribed so you can see what day 24 is when I open it tomorrow. Hope to see you all there. Everybody have a happy holiday. See ya!